Imagine waking up in your later years with no financial stress, no anxiety about bills, no confusion about savings, and no fear about the future. Just peace, pure, simple peace. That feeling of knowing everything is in its place, taken care of. It's not some fantasy. It's a reality that can be built with just a few careful, smart steps. And this video is here to help guide you there. Because growing old shouldn't mean growing worried. It should mean finally being free. You've lived decades carrying responsibilities, raising families, handling careers, surviving ups and downs, and caring for others. But now, this phase of life is about you. Your comfort, your calm, your dignity. Unfortunately, too many seniors enter this stage unprepared for the financial uncertainties that come with it. But it's never too late to take control. These tips are not about getting rich. They're about removing unnecessary stress, securing your health, and giving your heart the rest it deserves. If you're someone who wants to live your golden years with peace, joy, and financial clarity, please take a second to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue sharing real, relatable advice for people just like you. This video may help someone you love feel safer and more prepared, maybe even save them from a serious future burden. The very first step towards stress-free living in old age is to understand your true needs. Make a list of what you actually require each month: food, medicines, electricity, a bit for leisure, and compare it to what you're spending. Cut out the noise. You no longer need to keep up with trends, neighbors, or opinions. Focus on peace, not appearances. Living well in old age isn't about how much you have. It's about how little you need to be content. One of the biggest reasons seniors face sudden financial pressure is healthcare. Medical emergencies don't knock. They arrive uninvited. That's why health insurance is not optional, it's essential. If you don't have a senior-friendly medical plan, research now. Even small monthly premiums can protect you from massive hospital bills. More importantly, take care of your body, eat well, walk daily, and don't skip checkups. A healthy body saves you more than any bank can. Debt is another silent thief of happiness. Whether it's helping family, paying old loans, or using credit cards, debt must be avoided at all costs. This is the phase of life when your peace matters more than anything. If someone asks for help, be kind, but be wise. Never give money you can't afford to lose. You're not being selfish. You're being responsible for yourself and for your future. Set aside a small emergency fund in a separate place. It doesn't have to be a big amount, just enough to handle a hospital visit, a broken appliance, or a sudden travel need. Maybe 20,000 Indian rupees or 50,000 Indian rupees. Knowing that you have something to fall back on will reduce panic, help you sleep better, and make you feel independent. It's not about how much you save, but about having something when you need it most. Too many seniors are trapped in financial clutter. Multiple bank accounts, old insurance policies, confusing investments. It creates stress. The solution is simple: simplify. Choose 1 or 2 accounts. Create a folder, physical or digital, where all important documents are kept. And let a trusted family member know where it is. The clearer your finances are, the calmer your mind will be. Chaos creates fear. Clarity brings peace. If you're still healthy and active, find a small way to earn passively. Maybe rent out a part of your home, or use your skills, teaching music, offering wisdom, even selling handmade things. If not, invest wisely in senior citizen savings schemes that give stable returns. Passive income isn't about working hard. It's about letting your past work continue helping you. It's silent, steady support. There's one topic many elderly people avoid: writing a will. But writing a will is not about death, it's about love. It protects your family from confusion, stress, and legal problems. It makes sure your voice is heard, even when you're not around. Make it official. Talk to someone you trust. This one document gives you dignity, clarity, and protection that lasts longer than a lifetime. Some people avoid financial talk in old age out of fear or shame. They feel it's too late or too messy. But the truth is, it's never too late. Every step you take, even small ones, are steps toward peace. You don't have to fix everything overnight. But each call you make, each decision you take, gives you a little more control. Don't let fear stop you. Take your power back. Now, picture this. You're sitting by the window, reading a book, the sun gently lighting up your room. You're not worried about next month's rent. You're not afraid of sudden expenses. Your body feels strong. Your mind feels light. You are financially safe, emotionally calm, and deeply proud of how you've planned your life. This is not a dream, it's a destination. And you're already on the road. The only thing you need to do now is start. Pick one tip from this video and do it today. Just one. Make a small budget. Call about insurance. Set aside 500 Indian rupees. Write your list of medicines. These steps seem small, but they build a wall around your peace. Every single one is a gift to your future self. You've spent your life giving to others. Now it's time to give to yourself. You've earned this phase of life. You deserve ease. You deserve safety. You deserve mornings that don't begin in panic and nights that don't end in worry. These tips are not magic. They're reminders that you still hold the pen. You can still design the ending chapters of your life with strength, grace, and calm. And your family? They'll thank you for it. If you found this video valuable, please share it with someone else who may need it. Maybe a friend, your parents, or a neighbor. Like the video, subscribe for more calming guidance, and leave a comment below if any of these tips resonated with you. Your story matters. Your future matters. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here, walking beside you.